Hey beautiful people, welcome back to my channel where we keep skincare simple, natural and seriously effective. If you are new here, hi, I am Santi and I share the best natural skincare hacks to get your skin glowing without breaking the bank. Today we are diving into a super cool trend that's literally taking over TikTok and Instagram. Natural eyes facials using cucumber, green tea and your favorite cold beauty tools like jade rollers and gua sha. Stick around because I'm spilling all the signs, my exact DIY recipes and the do's and don'ts so you don't freeze burn your face, okay? Let's get right into it. Why eyes facials are going viral? So why are eyes facials all over your feed right now? It's all about cryotherapy, a fancy word for using cold to treat your skin. Benefits include shrinking the look of large pores, instantly depuffing under eye bag, bye-bye panda eyes, calming acne inflammation and redness, boosting blood flow so you get that natural healthy glow, and a secret perk, cold can help your skincare absorb better because it tightens the skin properly. Fun fact, ice facials aren't new. Even Marilyn Monroe dipped her face in ice water to keep her skin firm and fresh. The power ingredients, cucumber and green tea. Now let's level up basic ice cubes with ingredients your skin will love. Plain ice is fine, but cucumber and green tea take it to the next level. Cucumber is 95% water, super hydrating, packed with vitamin C and caffeic acid, both calm swelling and irritation. Great for soothing sunburns or tired, puffy eyes. Green tea, one of the most powerful natural antioxidants, rich in EGCG, a compound that fights free radicals, calms redness and can even help reduce acne. It's like a detox in a cube. How to make your natural ice cubes. Here's how I make them, so easy. Cucumber ice cubes. Chop half a cucumber, blend with a splash of filtered water. Optional, add a spoon of aloe vera gel for extra soothing. Pour into a clean ice cube tray. Silicone ones work best. Freeze overnight. Green tea ice cubes. Brew 1 to 2 bags of organic green tea. Make it strong. Let it cool completely. Pour it into your tray. Freeze overnight. Store your cubes in a Ziploc or airtight container to keep them fresh and hygienic. How to do an ice facial safely. Okay, ice facials can work wonders, but let's do it safely. Never rub ice directly on your skin for too long. You can get ice burns. Always wrap the cube in a thin cloth or muslin. Gently glide it over clean skin. I start at my jawline and move upward in cycles. Focus on puffy areas on the eyes, cheeks and your T-zone. Spend about 2 to 3 minutes, maximum 5 if you are used to it. Pat dry and immediately follow up with your serum and moisturizer to lock in that cold boost. Bonus, do it in the morning to wake up your skin or before makeup for a flawless smooth base. Upgrade it, jade roller and gua sha from the fridge. Want to go pro? Keep your jade roller or gua sha in the fridge too. Jade roller use upward strokes to push out lymphatic fluid. Goodbye morning puffiness. Gua Sha, amazing for sculpting your jawline and cheekbones naturally. It helps with circulation and can even release tension in your face. Pro tip: apply a few drops of your favorite facial oil before using these tools. The sleep protects your skin and feels good. Who should be careful? Quick heads up: if you have rosacea, broken capillaries, or super sensitive skin, eyes facials might not be for you. Test a small area first and see how your skin reacts. And that's how you do a viral eyes facial at home. Cheap, easy, and your skin will thank you for it. If you love this, give it a thumbs up, share it with a skincare loving friend, and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss more natural hacks every week. Comment below, are you team cucumber or team green tea? I would love to know which ice cube you try first. Stay cool and keep glowing. See you in the next video. Bye.